Little Bobby Dazzler. Oh!
That's something definitely broke.
Look at that. That is literally unreal. It's like looking at the stars. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are on 780 subs. My goal is to get to 1,000 subs with the help of Nathaniel on the filming. Hopefully soon we could be seeing 1,000 subs. With all your support, that's going to be brilliant. Thank you guys. So today we are fitting Rolls-Royce £60 Amazon mod to Nathaniel's 350Z. Now it goes on a roof liner. It's optic fibre cables. You snip them off and then you get this nice Rolls-Royce effect in your car. Whoa, look at that. We're fitting it to Nathaniel's 350. It's a very tidy car and we're going to be stepping it up a little notch by adding a lovely roof display for the inside of his car when he's out on a Saturday night doing what he's doing. Absolutely blowing a hoolie outside, so we've come in the car to start stripping.
My dad.
There we go.
I might as well stop.
Oh, he looks so like you.
Yeah, he does. Oh, fuck.
Go on, boy.
Something's gonna go.
Oh!
That's something definitely broke.
So we've taken off the head liner, as you can see. So we've unclipped the bolts up there. We've taken off the pillars, you can see them flapping. Unplugged all the wiring loom. Now, we're not too sure how it's going to go back on, but I'm sure we'll figure that one out. There's only a few cables there. We've also got the fibre optics. Now, you did turn it on a minute ago. They are working. Obviously, they are really long, so you can plug them in to your holes that you're going to be drilling. Go straight into the unit. You've also got a remote in the set. You also get an app as well, and then this could plug into there, but obviously we're going to be hardwiring it in with a 12 volt. Nathaniel's kindly turned it on for us, so you can see the ends here. So as you can see, if you cut it to where you need to on your roof liner, obviously the brightest bit, the tip, as he told me, that will be the bit that's showing, giving you the Rolls-Royce effect on the car. So now we're on to the technical bit. We've got the fibre optic here. As you can see, Nathaniel is just going to poke it through a hole that we've pre-drilled, straight through out the other end. And then we've also had a hot glue gun just going. You can see we've just dabbed the ends there to hold it. He's going to keep going through. We've got 150 fibre optic ends. We're going to spread them across the whole roof.
You can buy 250 or 300 of them, you can do, but as it's a small roof, 150 should do.
There you go. So he said obviously you can get 150, you can get 300, you can get however many you want. Nathaniel's gone for the 150 option. We're going to carry on doing the whole roof. Might be able to put together a little time lapse, and we'll see how we get on, and we'll catch up with you once we've done the whole roof. So we are getting the fibre optics in now. As you can tell, we are hard working, putting them all in. The weather outside is absolutely dire. Ideally, we was going to be doing it outside, but as you can tell, the 350 is getting absolutely soaked, but it's no dramas. So Nathaniel is gluing them in. So you can see here, if I take this fibre optic out, you can see we've drilled a hole. Hold on, let me get it. Got the ends, and you just simply poke it through like that, and it goes straight through out to the other end, and then we're going to cover the whole lot. We glue them in so they're nice and tight, so that when we pull it this way, the actual rest of the fibre optics, obviously they're not just going to slip out. And we'll catch up with you once we've glued them on, and we'll let you know how we're getting on. We've just got to do the edges next as well. Wizard at work. This is going to look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for Nathaniel to hurry up and get gluing and just get this plugged in. This is going to look absolutely incredible. Stay tuned and let's get this thing plugged in and get the lights on. It's like a C4, isn't it? Like Bomb Squad's going to be coming for that.
Hello.
So it's my bad. Missed a step. So you've got to put this unit, double-sided tape, as Nathaniel's done there. There you go. And we're going to put it where, mate? Do you want to show us?
Mount it at the back on the roof.
Yep. Oh, you can see the airbag canisters there. We're just going to put it just off of that. There you go. Double side tape that. That'll connect to the fibre optics. As you saw him connect earlier, this end, and Bob's your uncle, and we'll be straight on with the headliner unit. We've also got to put the matting over the top, but pretty self-explanatory, that bit. And as we're getting it in, it's probably going to be raining, so I won't be able to get a time lapse for that. The weather today isn't the greatest, but plug it in and we'll see how we get on. Quite lucky, we've had a gap in the rain. Nathaniel is now plugging it in, as you can see. He's just plugging it in. Oh, look at that. Now that looks cool. Nice. Well, that I'd say it's a mission success. Yeah, so far. What we got to do is we're going to put the headliner in, and then we're going to snip them up to the top, and you won't even actually be able to notice that we've put those in there. So let me give you a little close up. Yeah. Nice. Let's put it in the car and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so Nathaniel is hot glue gunning the unit to the top,
Which you don't need to do. I think it was, mate.
What, magnetic?
Yeah.
Oh right, well there you go. It's still...
Yeah, magnetic. Shot up on there. We've got some double-sided tape on there. That's pretty solid. And just because I like to make it secure, I'll fill it in with a bit of hot glue gun.
Electric seats. It's a bit posh, don't get them in the minis. Oh yeah, look at that.
It takes so much longer than manual seats.
Now Rolls-Royce roof, and he's even got electric seats. Perfect combo. Now you can see she's really dirty, but got something very cool coming soon. Working alongside a company for something that hasn't been done on the minis yet, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's a body modification for anybody who is interested as to what it is, but obviously I can't say much more than that because it's not my product. But I'm excited to show you guys in another video at some point of what I'm actually going to be doing to the Mini alongside another company which I'm going to be working with, which is very, very exciting stuff. Hey, and it's on, up the boy. See, told you it works, that's how you do it. We've now just got to put on the roof liner, clip the wires, and we're game on. Let's get a little close up. He's going to be showing us now how you do the fibre optic and plug it into the main unit and disguise the unit. Obviously gluing it, that's step one, so now he's going to be plugging it in and showing us where we need to put our fibre optic cables. So let's see what he can say.
You get given an end like this, you do, and you just literally just push it in there. You loosen off the screw beforehand, keep it tight, and then screw it in. Now I think it is fully secure. When we turn on the ignition, we'll find out if it's still working. Well, the unit has come with a cigarette lighter port, which is what I'm going to use now. I'm eventually going to wire it up so it runs all the way down the side into my fuse board. But as it's a miserable weather today, I just want to get it working, and I'll sort it out another day.
Nice.
AKA I won't. But for this wire, it's going to get connected to the unit, which is somewhere there, I can't quite see it.
Yeah, no, we
I'm
can
going
see.
to run the wire all the way across here, all the way down there to there, and then I'm going to run it through there to my cigarette lighter port in there. But eventually that will come out and I will just run it underneath, I will do, and to my fuse board, which is under there. So it's quite easy to be done. But yeah, we'll see you shortly.
But look at that. Woo! Little Bobby Dazzler. Look at that. That is literally unreal. Look at this. We've done it. Now we've just got to trim them up. This is looking absolutely insane. To fit these for £60, you know, they have these on a Rolls Royce, so he's even changing the colours. There he is. Let's see if I can get him in the background. Yeah, look, these look sick. Yeah, £60 Amazon. Takes a while to fit. Two of us. He's got a small roof. It's our bloody Christmas in here. Look at this. Oh, the white one. Go back to the white one. That looked nice. Yeah, nice. Look at this. They look so clean as well. I love it. These are wicked. Right, let's trim them up. The man himself, trimming his bush.
Oh yeah. I'm not littering, I will pick it up at the end. Just as a disclaimer.
Yeah, you need one of them, mate. So you're probably just about to get my face in this. Are we going? Alright. So you just got to get really, turn the pliers, flat facing, right up close, like that. And you just want to snip it right in there. Look at that. Right up close, like a Christmas tree in here. And then do the same again. Push on the headliner so that they obviously get pushed in to the trim of the car so it's all flush. Oh, that's not flush, is it? There we go. That's flush now. And then once you've done them all, you'll then be left with a lovely looking roof liner. Let's get this job done, shall we? Now that is how you trim your ends. Now obviously they're all nice and flush, and I'm just going to trim all these because they're quite irritating on your head. And top tip, as we said, hot glue. If you can get a glue gun, the hot glue gun is a massive benefit. Like Nathaniel said, if it's on the other side and it's pinching it, you can push right up or pull down and cut, and it's not going to keep coming through and through. So when you're driving, it's going to stay right where it is. Now let's get the rest cut and we'll catch up soon. So I'm in the beast now, and I tell you what, his roof is looking absolutely incredible. Do I do it to the Mini? Let me know in the comments. It's quite a complicated task. The only bit that's complicated is disconnecting, I should say, all the electrics up here. That's quite complicated because they run all the way along the roof liner, and then obviously the nervous plastic clips that you pull and you don't know if you're going to break. Oh!
That's something definitely broke.
Luckily in Nathaniel's car we only managed to snap one, glued it back on, and it's all good as gold. But the roof itself is absolutely immense. Like, look at that. And got a controller. Hey up, easy. There we go. So if I click white, whoa, look at that. And then if I click onto white again, you got a clear white, concentration phase, and then click yellow. Look at that. Now that's cool. What else we got? jump 7. Let's do that. That's it's taking us through all the colours. I tell you, it's like a Christmas tree in here. And then obviously you can have them off. Look at that. You don't even notice you've got it in the roof lining. You're probably wondering what that is. That's not a piss patch. That is water. Nathaniel's garage is leaking a little bit, so we had a bit of water on the headliner, but it's not too bad. It will dry. But I'm going to turn it back on now. Oh, there it is. I thought they weren't going to work. And then we'll put it onto white. That's off-white, white, Rolls-Royce. Now we're talking. I think for 60 quid they're really good, don't you?
Yeah, really good they are.
So Nathaniel is currently using the app. So do you want to show us how it works? Hold on, mate. Let's get this focused. Okay.
You can choose any colour.
There we go. Let's quickly go on. Spin it round for us.
You can choose that.
Go on, spin it round. The lights. Nice. What else we got?
Got a few modes on here, but I am quite new to it. Speed means you can have it changing colour. There you go. So it's slowly changing through the colours.
Cool. There's lots of settings for this. It's something to get used to. You got all the different colours: pinks, blues, yellows, and the app as well. It's really handy. You can see with the app straight away how Nathaniel's changing most of it. But if you are driving
you can change
along,
the brightness
you can use
as well, which is a big thing which you can see on the front.
Oh yeah. But if you are driving along, obviously you can't go on your phone, so it come with a remote as well, as I showed you earlier.
And when it's off,
beautiful. Turn it back on. Hey, they look good. Nice, nice. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. It's been a great video. Nathaniel's been excellent. We've installed the lighting kit. He's just turned the car off. Which has been a great video. So subscribe. Write in the comments if you want to see it on the Mini. I'd love to see it on the Mini. It's quite a complicated task. I'm not too sure how I feel about stripping the Mini. But yeah, let us know in the comments. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.